Are you ready to transform your IT service management practices? Introducing Mastering ITIL, a comprehensive guide with code examples and case studies, by Michael E. Kirsten, PhD. This essential guide dives deep into the world of ITIL, the globally recognized framework designed to help organizations manage their IT services effectively. With a focus on ITIL 4, this book emphasizes agility, adaptability, and the integration of IT services with business objectives. Explore foundational concepts, practical applications, and the latest trends in IT service management. Each chapter is structured to guide you from basic principles to advanced implementations, complete with practical code examples and real-world case studies. Learn how to streamline processes, enhance service quality, and create value for your organization. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just starting your journey, this book is your roadmap to mastering ITIL. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your IT service management skills by mastering ITIL, a comprehensive guide with code examples and case studies, now and start your journey towards IT excellence. Available now at your favorite bookstore and online retailers.